If the base Cayenne Electric is the entry point and the turbo is the overkill, this is the one you actually want. This is the 2027 Cayenne S Coupe Electric. It's 657 horsepower of proof that the S badge still stands for the perfect balance of soul and speed. Let's talk numbers. With launch control, the dual motors push out 657 horsepower and nearly 800 pound-feet of torque. That gets this massive coupe to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. It's exactly 1 second slower than the turbo, but let's be honest, it's still faster than almost anything else on the road. And with a top speed of 155 miles per hour, it never feels like it's running out of breath. The real story isn't the speed, it's how it handles it. For the first time on the S model, you can spec Porsche Active Ride. This isn't just air suspension, it's a fully active system that counteracts every dip and dive. Watch as the car stays perfectly flat through this hairpin. It feels half its actual weight. Combine that with rear axle steering, and this SUV shrinks around you the harder you drive it. You're carrying the same 113 kilowatt-hour battery as the turbo, but because the S is slightly more efficient, you're looking at a range of up to 405 miles WLTP. And the charging? It's class-leading. 400 kilowatts at a compatible DC station means you go from 10 to 80% in 16 minutes. It's the first time long-distance road tripping in a Porsche SUV feels truly effortless. Inside, you get the new driver experience, a 12.6-inch curved instrument cluster and an optional passenger display. But look at that 911 flyline roof. Even with the sloping coupe silhouette, Porsche managed to keep the rear headroom usable for adults. It's got that signature sleek gray Neo look, magnesium wheels, and finally, a standard NACS port for the supercharger network. Starting at $126,300, the Cayenne S Coupe Electric is $44,000 cheaper than the turbo, but 90% as capable. It's the smart choice in the lineup. Is this the best electric SUV on sale today? Drop a comment below.